Hey you guys, how are ya? It's Melissa and Brendan.
Hi.
We have some awesome news. Okay, totally stoked. So Young Living doesn't typically discount their diffusers, but they're going to, starting at 8 a.m. Thursday morning, the 29th, from 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time to March 31st, 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And the diffuser that they are discounting is the Dewdrop diffuser. It's got a nice purpley, sorry buddy, I'm in your shot.
That's okay.
A nice purpley hue. It's very, very calming and relaxing. So you turn it on like this, you push it one more time and then the light's off, but then it'll continue to diffuse. That's how I like it. The kids like the light, and then you push it one more time and then it's off. This is the easiest diffuser to use. It's the base diffuser. It runs, I want to say $64, so it's 15% off of that. And there's a little red line. You just fill up the water to the red dot, and then you add 1 or 2 drops of your essential oil, and you get started. When you purchase the Dewdrop diffuser for the sale price, it also comes with a 5 milliliter bottle of tangerine and a 5 milliliter bottle of peppermint. But I've got something exciting that you could do. If you've been wanting to get your premium starter kit and you haven't, now is the best way. And that clicking noise is my dog walking around pacing the garage. You can, if you're ready to get started, you can purchase your premium starter kit with the Desert Mist Diffuser. Now this runs $160, and I'm going to show you everything you're going to get and then how to make this deal even sweeter. So if you turn it on like it is now, this is high, and it runs up to 7 hours, I believe. 6 to 7, depending how much water's in there. And then if you hit the power button again, it's a low setting, and that one runs 8 hours. And then you have an intermittent setting. I can never say that word. It goes on and off for 10 hours. So it'll diffuse for like 90 seconds, I believe. I'll have to check the specs. I don't know.
I think it's a minute.
Is it a minute for 60 seconds? And then like 60 seconds off. And then you can turn it off. But it has some awesome lighting settings, you guys. I'm going to try and run through them. It might be too bright in here, but it's a white. It's got 11 of them. Then it's got a softer white. Then it's got this candle flicker, which is pretty cool. This red, great for Halloween. A lighter red. Then it's like got this peachy color. You can't really see. Oh, there we go. Then this yellow. And then this beautiful green.
My favorite color.
We did this for St. Patrick's Day. And then, it's like a light blue, and then a dark blue, almost like a teal, and then a pinkish purple, or you can have it off.
Obviously, the green is the best color.
No. Yeah, it's pretty good. So if you get your premium starter kit with the Desert Mist, let me show you what comes in the premium starter kit. It comes in this nice little box, and you open her up here.
And then your dream starts from there.
This is the wrong one, buddy.
Oh.
That's my wrong display one.
Never
But it looks like this. You get 11 bottles of oil, or 10 bottles of oil here, and 11 bottles. 11 surprise bottle back here. You get 2 Ninja Red packets. They've switched it out. You're actually going to get 2 of these, and then a packet of Thieves Cleaner, and then some little dram bottles that you can put some oils in to share with your friends. You're going to get Stress Away, Thieves, Digest, Lemon, Peppermint, Copaiba, Pan Away, Lavender, Frankincense, Raven, and Citrus Fresh. Then, if you add the Dewdrop diffuser for another 60 or so bucks, well 50 something because it's 15% off, you'll also get 2 more bottles of oil. You'll get the tangerine and the peppermint, and since it's my birthday month.
Yay.
I am also I'm offering free 2-day shipping on your order. So if you sign up this month with a premium starter kit by 11:59 p.m. March 31st, I will reimburse you the 2-day shipping. So you would just snap me a photo of your, a screenshot of your order, and I will credit your account the shipping, the 2-day shipping. So 2 diffusers, I'm fiddling with this, 2 diffusers, the Desert Mist, you order the premium starter kit with the Desert Mist, and then you add on the discounted Dewdrop,
The basic.
and you get the 11, 12, 13, I have to count, 13 oils to get you started on your wellness journey. And then I'm gonna send you a little pouch. I've got a bunch of funky little designs.
Can I see what's in there?
Yeah, honey, I'm showing you. It's got a little book, and it goes through each of the oils. It's got some recipes for the diffusers. It's got recipes for these sprays and for these roller bottles I've included for you, so you can get started on using your oils. I've got more recipes here, more recipes, and a bunch of other goodies in here to get you started. So if you have been thinking about it and kicking it around and wanting to maybe get started, now is the time. Now is the time to do it, because you can get so much goodies at such a good price. The premium starter kit usually runs $360 retail. So for $160, you get the Desert Mist and the 11 oils, add on the Dewdrop, and get the other 2 oils, so you can get started. So you can have a diffuser in your room and then a diffuser in your kid's room, or whatever. You can never have too many diffusers. And there's no limit on the adding the 15% off of the Dewdrop. So if you need more than one, go for it. I say go for it, because they very rarely discount the diffusers. So if you have any questions, please let me know. My sign up link is down below, and a little recap of the video in case you have any info or have any questions. So please let me know. So free shipping, free little pouch from me. Excuse me. And what you want to do is get your premium starter kit to get started with the Desert Mist, and then add on the Dewdrop, and you'll be good to go. And you can never have too many diffusers. So take care, you guys, and have a good weekend.